with the left spin material and things, the scientists have not yet succeeded in bringing it down to the ordinary level of crisis. So once they make a breakthrough, then you can have any amount of candy if you please. No botheration, no problem with your diabetes and things. Yes, please.
So, okay, after you, how one could manage if we step out first left and first put on the shoes right, if the floor is dusty or something like that. So I couldn't remember.
This means that the mosque should be kept clean.
Here it is, but in Pakistan also.
They should also be kept clean. Any other question, please? Yes.
Hazur, during this discussion, Hazur has mentioned that if a man comes, he should stand on the right hand, and if a lady comes, he should stand on the left. What is the philosophy behind this, Hazur?
This is exactly what I was trying to tell you. The specialization. But anyway, thank you so much for reminding me of a joke. Shall I relate that joke? It will be difficult for the English speaking to understand, but the Punjabi and Urdu speaking can enjoy it. You have heard the story of Joseph and Zulekha. How do you pronounce Zulekha in English? Anybody knows? How is Zulekha pronounced?
I heard that when they finished the story, he said that...
No. What I want to know is the English pronunciation of the word for Zulekha.
So I know it's a joke, but my point is that...
You know the joke? Would you kindly come to the microphone and just tell the joke? Tell someone to share it with you. No? That means you don't want me to tell them not either. Come to the microphone and then explain further what your question was.
But it's not, I was very attentive to what Hazur said. But I just wanted only a little clarification on this point only. What Hazur has said, but not on the whole. I understand. I was very attentive.
In specializations, you have to be arbitrary. There is no question of reason why. In specialization, you have to be arbitrary. For instance, there are doctors who are nose specialists of noses. You know, they specialize. Previously they used to be ENT, ear, nose and throat. But now the specialization has advanced to a stage when there are doctors who specialize on throat, there are doctors who specialize on nose, and there are doctors who specialize on eyes.
Yes.
Ears as well. Of course, eyes, and ears here it should be mentioned. So, there is again a joke about this as well. A lady was introduced at a dinner party to some doctor. It was said, Mr. Doctor so-and-so. And she said, what doctor? Trinity? He said, no, doctor of medicine. What branch of medicine? He said, he's a doctor of surgery, in fact. Which surgery? What specialization? The doctor of nose. Said, which nostril, please? So if the science of surgery advances to that stage, where really they begin to specialize on the right or left, how would they make the choice? Why should right be preferred to the left or left to the right? If somebody does, would you have the right to ask him this question? Why right? Why not left? when there are equal chances in specialization where both sides can be equal. There is no answer to such a question. Why ladies are preferred on the left side and why men on the right side? It could be exactly the opposite. And the same question would be asked. Let's conceive that Guru Akram had fixed ladies to stand on the right side and men to the left. Will you not ask that question again? Tell me. Suppose this was the position. Will Mr. Bashir not ask that question?
So this is like that.
But you are very dejected about it. You are not happy. Still you are not happy with the situation, are you?
He has lost his questions. He has actually lost his question.
No.
He has.
Yes? There is no question.
He has written, he has lost in the way.
Where are the questions you used to write and bring about? Right. Now you understand my answer? When there is a choice, equal choice, in that case there is no reason why this question becomes invalid. Because had Huzur Akram preferred the left foot or the left side for clean things and the right side for unclean things, it could be equally good. Why not? For instance, here in Europe, they eat with the left hand, don't they? They hold the fork in the left hand and they eat with the left hand. So it could, left hand could equally be well used for eating if Huzur Akram had advised us to do that. So the point is that when there are two choices of about equal nature and you have to divide things for the sake of specialization, so the choice may not have any reason. The choice more often than not is always, not always but more often, is arbitrary. So you don't have to provide a reason why this was taken and why not that. Now it's all right, huh? Now I see satisfaction on your face at last.
Ask my questions.
Yes, everybody is in fact waiting for your question to come. But very little time is left now.
So let's start.
With a long answer, I suppose.
Short answer. Short answer, please.
For the newcomer, let me tell them why I asked this question. You know, this mathematics is very popular here in this session for asking questions. So he specializes in this art. And he generally introduces the style of his question as well sometimes. So the night before he said, I have two types of questions. Some which are rather longish questions, but with short answers. Some who are rather shortish questions, but with long answers. Which one would you prefer? So I'm referring to that. Please, any question you please, of your choice.
If one joins the last two rakats of the Zuhr prayers, has he to recite some verses also of the Quran, Holy Quran, in the two rakats he has to complete after the Imam has completed the prayer, or he should recite Surah Fatiha only in them?
The first suggestion is correct. He has to recite some verses of the Holy Quran along with Surah Fatiha. It is also, of course, a part of the Holy Quran. Other than Surah Fatiha, he should also recite some other verses from the Holy Quran in the first two rakat. Because the principle which I have many times enunciated, made clear to you, is this, that in the philosophy of congregational prayer, the leader